Santa Maria Church, it is, like the castle, an essential element to understand Talamanca's history. Its existence is closely linked to the repopulation of the town and to the foundation of the castle and the first inhabitants in medieval ages. It is thought that the original building was a small church with an only tiny and wooden nave without any decoration, and in the 12th century it was substituted by the present Romanesque building. It was a building with an only nave with the shape of a Latin cross and a semicircular apse. Later, in the 18th century, an important enlargement took place and 2 new chapels were built. In fact, from the exterior building, it can still be seen with facility if you notice the placement change of the stones. At that moment, the tower bell was restored with a door decorated with sculptured capitals and a worked archivolt. In its origin, it was a steeple tower bell with 2 midpoint arch and voussoir openings. Nowadays, it is a square tower. To have access to the tower, a marvelous snail staircase was built next to the temple. The indoor was ornamented with a Baroque altarpiece. The ceiling was painted and a chorus was built over the main entrance. Despite these transformations and enlargements, the whole building still preserves its primitive structure. The church indoor image is very tidy and carefully rehabilitated, and we can point out the Romanesque paintings still preserved in the apse that consist of little circles with a cross. Precisely, one of the most interesting elements in this church is in its interior. It is a Gothic-style sarcophagus that belongs to Berenguer of Talamanca that his wife Blanca ordered to build in 1325 in the church transept. The tomb is located in an arcosolium without any decoration. There is a knight statue dressed with a mail coat and a cloth tunic under it. It holds a big sword in the center of his body. The knight is resting on a decorated cushion with a fidelity symbol. There is a dog on his feet. At the front of the ark, there are 6 reproductions of the lineage shield of Talamanca and a funerary writing that says, "Here it rests Berenguer of Talamanca, who died the day 2 of May calendars in 1475. Rest in peace." If you move this date to the Gregorian calendar, in use since 1582, it corresponds to the 30th of April in 1325. Berenguer of Talamanca was a great-grandson of Bernat de Talamanca, who was the first lord of the castle and who gave the name to the castle and to the town. Very close to the sarcophagus, there is a little door that leads to a tunnel that unifies the church with the rectory, located just in front. It seems that this place was built to facilitate the parson's access to the church in unsafe moments.